Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.